Prefabricated small house popularity for their blend of convenience, affordability, and aesthetic appeal. These homes offer a minimalist yet modern design, paired with efficient construction methods, making them an excellent choice for those seeking cost-effective housing solutions. Whether you're building your first home or a secondary residence, the process of creating a prefabricated home is straightforward and customizable to meet individual preferences. A thoughtful design for modern living. Small house kits often boast sleek, minimalist designs. One notable example features a hidden roof model and durable exterior cladding, creating a streamlined, box-like appearance. Customizable color palettes allow homeowners to match their personal style. Additionally, these homes are built with insulated plaster and sheathing to enhance energy efficiency and durability, while features like sliding windows maximize natural light and ventilation. Inside, practical yet elegant layouts provide functionality without compromising on aesthetics. From spacious bedrooms to a well-equipped kitchen with durable PVC cabinets and a ceramic backsplash, every detail is crafted to meet modern living standards. Planning and designing your prefabricated home. The journey to owning a prefabricated home begins with detailed communication between the homeowner and the contractor. Architects work closely with buyers to understand their preferences and needs, sketching preliminary designs and refining them based on feedback. This phase is crucial for aligning the final product with the homeowner's vision. Cost estimates, material selection, and timelines are discussed up front to provide a clear framework for the project. Buyers can also review previous projects to ensure the contractor's reliability and craftsmanship. Precision engineering and production. Once plans are finalized, the production phase begins, leveraging advanced computer technology for precision. Materials are carefully sourced and stored, with components manufactured to within 1 mm of accuracy. For a standard 150 square meter house, production typically takes 3 to 4 weeks. The components are then stored in dedicated areas before being transported to the assembly site. Throughout this phase, homeowners receive regular updates and can visit the factory to observe progress firsthand. Seamless assembly at the site. Assembling the prefabricated house is a swift process, taking just 5 to 7 days for standard models. Structural components are transported via trucks and installed using cranes. Larger or more complex homes may require additional time and specialized equipment. Collaboration between manufacturing and assembly teams ensures a smooth process, with quality checks performed at every stage. Practical tips for choosing a contractor. Selecting a reliable contractor is critical to ensuring a hassle-free experience. Researching reviews, comparing prices and services, and viewing past projects can help identify reputable companies. Opt for contractors with transparent terms and processes, and whenever possible, visit their factory to assess operations. Many contractors also handle material procurement, providing added convenience for homeowners. Combining modern methods with timeless appeal. Prefabricated homes offer an ideal combination of modern construction techniques and timeless design elements. With streamlined processes, customizable features, and a focus on quality, they provide a practical solution for contemporary living. By understanding the steps involved, from initial planning to final assembly, homeowners can confidently embark on the journey of building their dream prefabricated house.